I have been trying some new K-beauty products from last few months, and recently I have used this Rovectin brand products, and I want to share my experience and thoughts about this. This brand was originally introduced for cancer patients who have undergone some treatments, radiation, chemo, etc., and having a very vulnerable and sensitive skin. They wanted to help people who had the worst after effect of cancer treatments and which is skin dryness and compromised skin barrier. So their story started from a barrier repair cream, and they believe that the good quality or good healthy skin will add confidence into a person. They says healing is better than hiding, and I was really impressed when I came to know these things. Their products are made without any harsh chemicals and gentle to use on the skin and formulated with clean and vegan friendly ingredients. I bought two of their products, and if you are in India you can get this from Amazon and Macaron website, which is an Indian site for K beauty products. If you see their packaging, they have made it simple to make it easier to recycle. They don't have fancy packaging or design on their products, and it is very basic and they are pretty simple. This Rovectin Aqua Activating Treatment Lotion, it's named as a lotion but it's a toner. It contains a lot of good ingredients. This contains 7 types of hyaluronic acid which is targeted to penetrate 7 different layers of the skin. I will display the ingredients list here so that you can check it out. It also has glycerin, niacinamide, adenosine, caffeine, panthenol, allantoin, arginine, chamomile flower extract, licorice extract, centella asiatica extract, another ingredient which is derived from papaya fruit extract. It's like a very mild natural exfoliating enzyme. And these are the 7 types of hyaluronic acid used in this product. I am thinking what else I need in a toner. It has almost everything I look in a power pack toner or essence. The consistency is little viscous, little thick like a watery gel. It's little slippery, so I am using it as an essence. But it's not too thick, but it also gets absorbed well into the skin. It's not tacky or sticky on skin. I really don't use toners, so this is acting both as a toner and an essence step. Once applied, it is real quick in getting absorbed into the skin. You can also apply more layers with this. Once applied, it is real quick in getting absorbed into the skin. You can also apply more layers with this. After it gets into the skin, it immediately feels so hydrated and plump. If you are someone with dehydrated skin, you can immediately feel how hydrating this product is. After I started to use this, I think I don't need any other essence or serum, and I feel I can directly jump into the moisturizing step after one layer of this product. I have an oily skin, but people with dry skin can go with more layers if you wish and if you need more hydration. But for me, just one layer is enough, and it gives good hydration, and also it makes my skin brightened and plump few days of usage. Only if I feel my skin is dry sometime after using chemical exfoliator etc., then only I use more layers. This instantly hydrates the skin, and I love this brand. I will be using this and may also repurchase it. These are the results I got after 1 month of usage. Next product which I have is the Rovectin Lotus Water Cream. I saw a lot of good reviews about this product, and many YouTubers recommended this for the oily skin, so I thought to give it a try. It comes in a white biodegradable paper box, and it's really simple. It comes in a white tube packaging, but they provided cute stickers to customize the product. They said they have made their packaging really simple to make it more easier to recycle. Talking about the ingredient list, this moisturizer is formulated with 75% of lotus flower extract, and it is good ingredient in anti-aging, and also it helps the skin in as a skin conditioning agent. It also contains niacinamide, I hope it's 2%, helps in skin brightening, panthenol, which helps in calming down the skin, allantoin, which moisturizes the skin. It also has some oil, which is sweet almond oil. So I thought this is going to break me out as I have an oily skin and I don't like using moisturizers which has oil in it because it will clog the pores. But the texture of the moisturizer is too lightweight, not thick and not heavy, and it is completely fragrance free. It reminds me of a smell of a medicated ointment because they does not add any scent or fragrance, and all of the chemicals in that will have a kind of weird smell. I used this moisturizer after the Rovectin treatment lotion. As I said, it is so much hydrating and it's quickly absorbing formula, and this quickly absorbing one. It does not make the skin greasy even if it has oil in it, but it leaves a little shine which I'm personally not a fan of because my skin is already shining. This goes well with all the other products I use, and it's a perfect makeup primer also. If you are someone who want to layer other product with this, great choice for that. Most importantly, this does not break me out or irritated my skin, which is the most important thing for me. And also it provides the hydration for entire day. My skin never got greasy with this product, but it leaves an instant shiny look. I think this product will last for a while, and as of now I'm okay with this product as it is winter and I need more hydration without making my skin heavy or sticky. But I feel that dry skin people can also try this and it will be a great option for them as well. And these two products are my current favorite from Rovectin brand. I will also try other products from their line. I use this both day and night, and when I use it at night time I wake up with a very happy hydrated skin. I prefer oil-free moisturizers for my skin. This is a winner with good formulation. Overall, a good moisturizer for all skin types. Extremely oily skin people use it in tiny amounts. And this is the amount of product I use for my entire face. Because if I apply too much, I get that insane shiny look which I don't want. I like both of these products and the brand as a whole, but some of their product does contain lavender oil, and now the brand has confirmed that they are going to remove essential oil from their ingredient list, which is a good news. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Bye bye.